Now we are coming to the next topic, vaccination and immunization. Now both are different. Vaccination means injecting vaccine into the body, making the vaccine to enter into the body, that is called a vaccination. Immunization means once the vaccine enters into our body, it is stimulating the immune system. So the immune system is boosted up and it is producing antibodies, giving resistance to us. That is called immunization. So first we will take about vaccination. What is the meaning of it? Vaccination, it is the administering. Administering means allowing it to enter into the body. That is called the administering or injecting. Now what is the difference between this injecting? So through the needle and the syringes, they will inject into the body through the muscles or through the veins or anything. There is injection, normally injecting. Administering means it can be sent through the mouth also. Administering or injecting the vaccine into the body, that is called a vaccination. It is also the act of introducing the vaccine in our body, into our body, to induce the immune system. Why we are injecting? To induce our immune system. Our immune system should be stimulated. That is called induced. Then only we can produce antibody. Once antibodies are produced, we are safe. The disease will not come to us. Now immunization, I already told you the second topic. Vaccination is over, now immunization. Now what is the meaning of immunization? Our body builds up immunity. Immunity means what? Resistance. So once the vaccine is given, our body is developing resistance to a particular disease. Now if the polio vaccine is given, our body is producing resistance to polio after introducing the vaccine. It is the production of antibody. How our body is getting resistance? After injecting the vaccine, our body is producing antibody for specific pathogen. Pathogen means microorganism causing disease. The antibody keeps its action. That means antibody will not keep quiet. It is ready to fight with the microorganism. Its action in memory. Already we have studied what is memory. Once antibody is produced, it knows very well which type of microorganism it has to kill throughout our life. That is memory. Immunized body means, now what is the meaning of immunized body? Suppose when vaccine is given to us, our body has developed a lot of antibody. It is ready to fight with the microorganism. Then our body is called the immunized body. Means the resistance developed 100% and lifelong. 100% immunity will be there. Resistance will be there and it is a lifelong, it will be there. That is actually called a immunization. Now, hypersensitivity of immune response. So our body is always giving immune response, but sometimes our immunity will give over response. Normally, too much of anything is good for nothing. Say for example, we are consuming healthy diet. Normal diet, when we consume, our body can digest and it can utilize the food. But suppose the same good diet, healthy diet, we are consuming more and more, that is beyond the limit, then what will happen? Digestion problem will come. Same way, vaccine is given, our body is producing immunity. Normal immunity means normal resistance will be there throughout our life, it is 100%. But sometimes, when we give the vaccine, our immune response, our immunity will show oversensitivity. That will cause problem in our body. So the hypersensitivity of immune response, that is over response, is causing some problem in our body. What are they? What is the meaning of hypersensitivity? We have to see. Exaggerated response, too much of response. Beyond the limit, the response is given of our body to certain antigen. Antigen means microorganism or the toxic substance produced by the microorganism. It is also called allergy. This over response. The over response is also called what? Allergy. Allergic reaction will be there. Sometimes for hardly some people, when one injection is given or one vaccine is injected into the body of the child, rashes will appear. That is called allergy. That means the body is showing over response, but we can control it. Substance causing allergy are called allergens. Important terminology, allergens. Any substance which is causing allergy is called allergens. It is a type of antigen. It is our body is not accepting that chemical. That is called antigen. Allergens or antigen. Now, allergic reaction starts in a few seconds after contacting the allergens. The allergens enter into the body, which is stimulating the allergy. Our body will show the allergic reaction within a few seconds. And last for 30 minutes, that allergic reaction will be there for about half an hour. Sometimes it may exceed up to 40 minutes or 45 minutes. Examples of allergens. Now, which are all the factors causing allergy? Examples of allergens we have to see. Dust mite. Now, what is that? Dust, we know, the small, little lighter particles which are floating in the air. That is called a dust. Okay, mite. Mite is a tiny microorganism that is which is floating along with the dust. They are always sticking along with the dust. So, when the dust is settling on the body or when the dust is entering into the nose, the mite, the microorganism is also entering into the body and causing allergy. Sometimes doctors will say dust allergy. Immediately the person will get sneezing, coughing, everything. Dust mite. Pollen grains of the flower. Sometimes the pollen grains will cause allergy. Insect venom. Venom means poison. Some insects are biting us. Okay. Now that at the time, once it is the insect is biting, within a few minutes we will get rashes over the body. That is insect venom, etc. Examples of allergy. Now they are the examples of allergens. Now examples of allergy we have to say. Now what are the examples of allergy? Hay fever is a type of allergy. Asthma, breathing problem, that is called asthma. Now these are the examples for that. Symptoms of allergy. Okay, when the symptoms, what are the symptoms will be there when a person is affected by allergy? The first one is a sneezing. Okay, through the nose. Sneezing will be there. Watery eyes. Eyes will be coming from the water. Watery eyes. Running nose. Okay, the watery fluid, mucus is coming through the nose. Difficult in breathing, that is only wheezing we are telling, asthma we are telling. Now that is a difficulty in breathing, etc. Allergy is stimulated or mediated by. Now the allergy is stimulated by one chemical present in our body, which is called IgE. Now Ig, already we have studied in the same topic, immunoglobulin, a type of protein, immunoglobulin in that E type, epsilon, immunoglobulin E, and mast cells, one type of white blood cells, mast cells, they join together and are causing allergy. Okay. Now we are coming to one new terminology, it is a medical terminology, anaphylaxis. Now we have to know what is the meaning of anaphylaxis. Anaphylaxis, classical immediate hypersensitive reaction. Now the reaction is a hypersensitive allergic reaction, but it is a classical and immediate. Now when allergen is entering inside, it may be vaccine or it may be any other things, but within a few seconds the reaction is taking place, hyperreaction is taking place. That is anaphylaxis. Sudden, that means it is happening very, very quickly. Sudden. Systemic, that means systems are affected. Severe and hypersensitive, action as the result of degranulation of mast cells. Just before I told mast cells, one type of white blood cells. In the white blood cells, granules will be present in the cytoplasm. Degranulation means they are dissolved. The granules are dissolved. As a result of which, immediate reaction will take place. That is called anaphylaxis.